In the context of Hnlc conditions, maintaining standardized terms is crucial for a uniform platform applicable to all organizations. This was informed by the Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma during interaction with media persons on the 1st of February 2024. Sangma further informed that while certain heinous cases may be handled individually, a blanket order withdrawing all cases is not feasible. The peace talks with the Hnlc are encouraged, recognizing challenges that can be addressed through open discussions, emphasizing the paramount importance of the shared desire for peace, added Conrad Sangma.
There are standard conditions that are there for all talks. And hence, if we change those conditions for some organization, then, it becomes difficult to have a uniform platform in which we treat all the organizations, because the terms and conditions cannot change. Therefore, whatever terms and conditions have been used and laid down for other organizations, same conditions are being put up now for Hnlc talks.
So their cases cannot be withdrawn?
Now, as we said that we have discussed those matters, and obviously on case-to-case basis, there are some which are very heinous in nature, so everything will have to be dealt with separately, but these cannot be talked as a blanket ban, a blanket order saying that all cases can be withdrawn. It depends on case-to-case basis.
But is the talks is on or is it called off?
So we have only seen a letter from their side saying that they have decided not to continue with it, and therefore we have urged them that look, there will always be challenges, there will always be certain things which need to be ironed out, but ultimately the decision or the desire to have peace is what is most important, and hence we are open to discussion and talk, and we urge them that they should continue the talks.
Regarding the border situation, Conrad Sangma said that the timing for announcing elections remains uncertain. He also affirmed that discussions will continue at their own pace, acknowledging the potential inconvenience for all parties when elections are officially declared, yet emphasizing the commitment to the ongoing process. Concerning the meeting with Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma, Conrad Sangma revealed that an informal interaction occurred recently where issues outside the formality of official meetings were addressed, contributing to the ongoing dialogue. Regarding the independent committee, the Meghalaya Chief Minister communicated that active monitoring of such activities is not undertaken.
Yet gone into details. We have had discussions about it, and we are supposed to have a discussion with different stakeholders. So we have yet to take a call on that, on the date. But definitely we will re-examine the whole thing and find out the best way in which we are able to come out with provisions, achieve the goals, and yet be in conformity with national laws and constitutional provisions.
Can you tell us why there is an early summoning of the budget session?
Because of the fact that we will have parliament elections coming up, and since the parliament elections will come up, we will not be able to pass the full budget, and if the elections are announced, then we'll have to go on vote on account, which would mean that it would disturb the overall expenditure of the state for the next financial year, and hence to avoid that, we are calling early budget sessions so that we pass the budget and we don't have to go for vote on account, and the financial planning for the next financial year is not disturbed.